A virtual private network, VPN, is a technology that enables secure and private communication over a public network, such as the Internet. It creates a secure connection, often referred to as a tunnel, between your device and a remote server operated by the VPN service provider. All data traffic between your device and the VPN server is encrypted, protecting it from unauthorized access and surveillance. Here's how a VPN generally works. Encryption. When you connect to a VPN, your device encrypts all outgoing internet traffic before it leaves your device. Encryption ensures that even if someone intercepts your data, they cannot understand or make use of it. Tunneling. Encrypted data is then sent through a secure tunnel to the VPN server. This tunnel shields your data from potential eavesdroppers or hackers who may be on the same network. VPN server. Once your encrypted data reaches the VPN server, it decrypts the information and forwards it to the intended destination on the Internet. Destination server. Websites or services you access on the Internet see the VPN server's IP address instead of your actual IP address. This helps mask your identity and location, adding an extra layer of privacy. Encrypted response. When the destination server responds to your request, the data is encrypted and sent back to the VPN server. Decryption and delivery. The VPN server receives the response, encrypts it, and sends it back through the secure tunnel to your device. Your device then decrypts the data, allowing you to access the requested information. By routing your internet traffic through a VPN, you can achieve several benefits. Privacy. VPNs protect your online privacy by encrypting your internet traffic, making it difficult for others to intercept or monitor your online activities. Security. VPNs provide an extra layer of security, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks, by encrypting your data and preventing unauthorized access. Anonymity. VPNs hide your IP address and location, making it difficult for websites, advertisers, or other entities to track your online activities. Access to restricted content. VPNs can help you bypass geo-restrictions and access content that might be limited or blocked in your current location. By connecting to a VPN server in a different country, you can appear as if you're accessing the Internet from that location. Remote access. VPNs allow secure remote access to private networks, enabling employees to connect to their work networks while outside the office. It's worth noting that while VPNs provide increased privacy and security, it's important to choose a reputable VPN service provider that prioritizes user privacy, has a no-logs policy, and employs robust encryption methods.